stung or like bit by and all that. Yeah, look at these paintbrush.
All right, left Subalpine. We are just out here, just day picnic, day camp. These views are amazing. So green, so lush. All that rain we've been getting.
Found it.
I hear thunder.
This is it.
Did you hear that? Some big flies out here. But it's like probably 85 up here. I think the elevation is, I don't know, maybe 6,000, 5,800, something like that. But down in town, it's like 92 to 95. Up here, we got about 10 degrees cooler, so hot, but not too bad. What are these?
I think that might be maybe a woolly sunflower or something like that.
Fire pit there. What are they?
Bluebell.
Bluebell?
They're cool. Very simple ingredients.
Yeah, so we're at 6605. You can see that. It's not coming through. 660506. Feels so good to be out here. It's warm, but feels good. Some fresh mountain air. Pines smell so good. There you go.
Did you take a picture of it? And this one too.
What are these called?
Is this Queen Anne's lace? Is that what that's called? These guys?
Take a look at your bouquet. See that guy? All kinds of bugs out here. We got some clouds rolling in. Possible thunderstorm or showers. Heard some thunder coming up from that cloud system right there, but we'll probably be heading out soon. Neato. All right, it's time.
Too hot.
It's dig deep and get a cold one.
That's that thing I hate.
SWP
Sit tight.
koozie.
I'll be right back. Yeah.
We
Your
got,
first rodeo, huh?
What's for dinner?
Look at those big thunderheads.
there you go.
Sounds little.
80 degrees out.
Cheers.
You need it.
Which one's after this?
Cheers, guys. These bugs are out of control, though. These guys, that's what we're dealing with. These massive flies.
They're so annoying. Oh, look, he's right on your hand.
So once we get off the mountain, we're gonna go
It's a monarch.
to Sportsman.
Yeah.
Never seen
Sportsman's and
monarchs.
get a
Please land.
salt gun, right? Is that what they call it? Yeah, salt gun. All right, guys, we're out of here. It's hot. Lots of flies, bugs. Single track here.
We should turn around. Definitely narrows out big time.
All right, so we're in new territory here. Never been back this way. So I just want to see how tight it gets. Let's see. It's pretty bushy.